Children, how are you? Children, now it's a prayer time. Close your eyes. Ashatoma Shatkamaya Tamashoma Jyodirkamaya Brityoma Amardam Kamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, slowly open your eyes. Okay, children. Today we are going to learn about lesson 3 goal setting. You will learn goal setting, need for goal setting, step to structure the goal setting, need of assistance in goal setting, benefits of goal setting. Okay, children, what is goal setting? Goal setting is a process that is used to direct every task towards a primary aim. Goal setting is a great life skill and never too early to start. Okay, goal setting is a process, great life skill and never too early to start. Okay, children. Children, why do we need to set goal? Yes, need for goal setting. Setting goal is an essential parts of planning for the future. It is important for students have many and variety of opportunities to set goals. Goal setting process including the evaluation of goals period to the high school. Setting goals is just one aspect of self determinations that students learn and practice repeatedly over time to establish this activity in their lives. Often, goal setting can also be used in a job or community setting or just in the about things that students might like to achieve in their lives. Okay. So need for goal setting means students planning for future and then variety of opportunities, evaluations, self determinations, practice and establish activity in their lives, jobs and community setting, many achievements in their lives. Okay, children. Parents and another can use goal setting with students away from school in increase their involvement in life outside of school. All this can help students to decide what they want to do. Okay. Next one is the step listed below can be used to structure your goal setting ability. Identify the goal. What do you want to do? Write down the goal. If the goal clear, conscious and measurable, it is short term or long term. Create an action plan. How will you begin to work on this goal and when? Evaluate the progress and adjust the plan goal accordingly. How are you doing? What have you done? Is the goal achievement or not? Step listed below can be used to structure your goal setting ability. Identify the goal, write down the goal, create an action plan, evaluate progress and adjust the plan goal accordingly. Okay, children? Okay, right. Next one is identifying goal. A goal is what you wish to do and you may involve yourself in choosing between two different acceptable goal. Alternatively, you may take more time to explore your preference. Use effective listening, including restarting ideas to clarify, and take plenty of time to express your thoughts. So identifying goal means so involving yourself, attention, and then explanation, preference, effective, and ideas. It's called identifying the goal. Okay, children? Okay, right. Today homework is do page number 21 and question number 1, 2, 3 in workbook. First question is what is goal setting, and second question is what do we need to set goal, and third one is list the step that can be used to structure the goal setting process. Okay, children? Okay. Thank you. Stay safe, stay in your home, avoid screen time, drink more water. Okay, cuties. Bye. Thank you.